Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're introducing our 26-meter concrete mixer pump truck. An all-in-one solution that combines concrete mixing, pumping, and placing into a single machine. Designed for efficiency, reliability, and ease of operation, this equipment is ideal for contractors looking to increase productivity while reducing labor and operating costs. The 26-meter boom provides excellent coverage for a wide range of applications, including residential construction, commercial buildings, rural housing projects, road work, and small to medium-sized infrastructure developments. By integrating a concrete mixer and a boom pump into one vehicle, the machine eliminates the need for multiple pieces of equipment working separately. Concrete can be mixed and pumped continuously, helping improve workflow and reduce downtime on site. Its compact design also makes transportation and setup much easier, especially in areas where space is limited. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its all-in-one design. The 26-meter concrete mixer pump truck is suitable for a wide variety of construction environments. Whether you're building houses, warehouses, factories, agricultural facilities, bridges, or municipal infrastructure, this machine delivers the flexibility and performance needed to keep projects moving efficiently. Its combination of mobility, pumping capability, and integrated mixing system makes it especially valuable in remote areas or projects where equipment access is limited. For contractors looking to maximize productivity while minimizing equipment investment, this machine offers an efficient and practical solution. At our factory, every machine is built with a focus on quality, durability, and long-term performance. From material selection and precision manufacturing to final testing and inspection, we are committed to delivering equipment that our customers can rely on. If you're interested in learning more about our 26-meter concrete mixer pump truck, feel free to contact us for detailed specifications, pricing, or customized solutions tailored to your project requirements. Thank you for watching.